Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use stickers on Instagram stories. So watch this video till the end. Adding filters, effects and stickers on Instagram is pretty easy. However, some users may not find them easily. So I'm going to help you out on that today. Firstly, open your Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the Your Story button. Select a photo to add as a story on Instagram. Now select the sticker icon. Scroll down to find the sticker you like and want to attach to your Instagram story and tap on it. Or you can also type out the name of the sticker in the search bar and tap on it. After you are done, tap on Your Story button to share the story and you are done. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.